Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Deloitte NLA update. As we know that Deloitte announced the examination date as 23rd and 24th January. So this is a final prep video in which we will discuss about last moment tips, updated exam pattern, free resources and examination guideline. One of the most important point, many of the candidates receive rejection mail, some of the candidates receive slot selection mail and some of the candidates not receive any kind of mail. So we will discuss about each and everything. First of all, I already created the NLA updated exam pattern video. Just see that it is a engineering syllabus link, BCA, BSc and commerce syllabus. Deloitte free resources, quantitative aptitude, video tutorials, logical reasoning, verbal ability. Aptitude English free preparation, India Big's website, Geeks for Geeks, technical MCQ, this all website and finance and accounting resources this. So this is the complete video of everything in which I discuss about the engineering exam pattern, BCA, BSc, commerce exam pattern. What are the free resources for engineering, free resources for BCA, BSc and free resources for commerce. Okay, so the thing is you have to check out that video and we are discussing about each and everything. So first of all, candidates are receiving the Deloitte rejection mail. So what is the reason? I clearly mentioned in the comment section previously or in the video that you have to use the proper resume format. Okay, so I received two type of queries, okay, from the candidate. Like some candidates say that I used your resume format but still I got rejection mail, and some of the candidates are saying okay, we used your resume format and we got selected and we received the slot selection mail. Okay, and I also received the slot selection mail today. Dear Lokesh Bagora, as a next step we would like to schedule your online test. So I also used the same format, but what they are checking in the shortlisting process, just understand this point. We will shortlist you based on your skill sets and academic achievements for the next round. They are checking the resume format as well. Okay, many of the candidates, some of the candidate, okay, they also not add any photo in the resume. Deloitte team clearly mentioned that you have to keep your photo in the resume, but still they got the slot selection mail. So the thing is, they are focusing on your skills and they are focusing on your academic achievements. Okay, after that online assessment will be there, online interview and final result will be there. One most important point, many candidates I know that ये अच्छा नहीं है, rejection mail आ गया है. Okay, we are hoping that every candidate get the best opportunity or every candidate get the chance to appear for opportunity, but we don't know. That's why I mentioned please don't take under stress. I understand you have to apply for other good opportunities waiting for you, and we will see new hiring in coming month. Don't lose hope. There is no word like rejection. It's all about gaining some experience. We have to learn from experience and continue the journey. So please don't lose the hope. Okay, and just see that I mentioned in the our Telegram group, we shared resume format at time of application. You used the same format, right? Yes bhaiya, even I received a Deloitte resume shortlist mail. So the thing is they are checking your skills and achievements. Okay, और यहाँ पर disappoint नहीं होना है, stress नहीं लेना है, apply for other opportunity. Okay, and I also received the mail. You can check out the previous video how to book the exam slot, in which I already mentioned each and everything. I have received assessment booking slot from Deloitte NLA. Your videos are helping us lot of regarding company update. Thank you so much, sir. Best wishes for your examination. We are discussing about the last moment tips. So first most important point that I have to mention, this is a do's and this is don't. Okay, do's are use the same email ID throughout registration process. Please download the latest version of Chrome web browser. Try to ensure a strong and secure internet connection. Please keep a check on your inbox for email communication. Use the candidate ID for the interview room. Join the interview 15 minutes before the allocated time. Adhere to the dress code of business formal. This is related to interview. Don'ts are: do not forward the received email invitation. Do not leave the virtual waiting lobby. Do not switch task toggle during any session. Do not take a screenshot or click on a photograph of the screen. Okay, they clearly mention all the guidelines in your examination mail. Okay, you received one mail from the Deloitte team in which they mention about your candidate ID and the particular guidelines. Okay, all the guidelines I mentioned in this video, you can check out this video. So it will very helpful, like you have to download the particular browser. Okay, what is the internet connectivity, pop-up should be enabled. Okay, everything they mention. Deloitte NLA last moment tips. For the Deloitte, we already shared each and everything on our channel. Deloitte NLA updated exam pattern, actual aptitude question. Okay, NLA exam result is declared and interview experience of selected candidate you can check. Okay, first of all, as we know that there are three type of hiring. Engineering hiring undergraduate, science hiring means BCA, BSc and commerce hiring. Okay, let's discuss about first engineering. So in the engineering, you have total 65 questions. Okay, in the format of MCQ. Okay, and 2 questions in the live coding format, live programming or coding format. So how to attempt? First of all, the test is fully protocoled using video and audio. The test is divided into 5 sections. For each section you will get dedicated time duration. Okay, so there are section. What are the section? First section English, second reasoning ability, third quants, fourth is technical MCQ and fifth is coding. So the thing is, this test is divided into 5th section, and according to the particular section you have time. Okay, if you run out of time before completing any section, you will be moved forward to next section automatically. The 5 section will present 4 different varieties of question. I already tell about this thing in our previous video. So let's discuss about the main point that is very important. Okay, what are the main point? As we know that the first is English. Okay, English, and total 10 MCQ and 3 fill in the blanks questions are there. Okay, so we can understand that total 13 questions are there. So the thing is, just go to YouTube or just go to India Big's website. Okay, and they clearly mention that the question will measure knowledge of English vocabulary, grammar, sentence construction, sentence arrangement and overall language comprehension. So you can practice. Okay, you can practice the previous year question that is available on YouTube, multiple channel, and we also uploaded all the videos that is related to previous year question. You can check the previous year question for the practice. Okay, like you have to understand the pattern of question. Okay, what are the pattern of questions they are asking in the examination related to English. Okay, so you do not have to solve like 50 or 60 question. You have to check the pattern based question, vocabulary, grammar, sentence construction, arrangement and overall language comprehension. So you will get idea what type of questions they will ask. Okay, after that your general aptitude, reasoning ability and quants ability will become same. For the reasoning ability, quants ability, go to India Big's website or YouTube and check the pattern. Okay, what type of pattern they are asking in the examination. And they also mention that it is advised to keep a pen and paper handy because it will involve a numerical calculation, so you can use pen and paper. Okay, no need to worry about that, they clearly mention, so you can use pen and paper. Okay, so the thing is, for the English section and for the aptitude section, that is reasoning and quant ability, you have to check the YouTube, India Big's website, check the previous year question, understand the pattern, what are the question asked, and prepare the topic. Okay, then technical MCQs are there and technical skills coding are there. As we know that in the technical MCQ, 30 MCQs are there that is related to testing, computer science, networking and cyber security and cloud computing in the chosen area. The section will also evaluate your programming language capability in the programming language. So one most important point, just go to our video where you will find technical MCQ all like links, Sen Foundry, Geeks for Geeks, Java T Point, Sen Foundry, everything is there. This is for the practice. Okay, but same, just go to YouTube. Okay, and check the previous year question and understand the pattern, what type of questions or what type of pattern of questions they are asking you in examination. And you can practice from multiple websites that is available, GFG and Sen Foundry. As we know that guys, you don't have lot much of time. Okay, because tomorrow your examination, so you have to check previous year question. If you want a final live session that is related to aptitude today, so let me know in the comment section, so we will come up with the live session. After that, technical skills coding are there, one live coding nugget and one live programming question. First of all, try to understand the coding nugget and programming question. They will evaluate your programming language knowledge, and in the coding, the test cases, the number of test cases you passed, okay, that will be good. Okay, means if you solve the 2 coding questions completely and your aptitude performance is medium, so there are chances of getting interview mail. Okay, So the thing is, you have to know about the one coding live nugget and one live programming question. So the thing is, you can check the previous year question. Okay, previous year question, understand that what type of questions they are asking. Okay, and you can use C++, C Sharp, Java, Python, etc. So the thing is, this is all about the complete pattern of technical skills, coding, MCQ, reasoning ability, and and English. So the thing is, as we know that tomorrow your examination is scheduled either tomorrow or after tomorrow, 23-24 January. So PYQ is very important. Okay, it will helpful for you to understand the pattern of examination or question, and then you can practice the question. Okay, you can practice the question. That is very, very important. Same it is for BCA. Like if we talk about the BCA BSc hiring, so for that you can check out this video in which I already tell the BCA examination pattern and BSc. Same, there is a 54 question in the multiple choice format and 2 questions in the programming coding format. Okay, so the language skill and English, logical reasoning and quantitative ability, same previous year questions on YouTube, PYQ on YouTube to understand the pattern of examination and practice. Okay, that is very, very important. Same for coding, you have to do this. Okay, so in the technical MCQ in BCA BSc hiring, they are asking data structure, networking and cloud computing. So you can just check the previous year question, as well as you can check on the Sen Foundry and GFG website for the particular data structure related MCQ question, so you will understand the pattern. Okay, next thing is related to commerce. As we know that in the commerce, only 75 questions in the MCQ format, only 75 question. Okay, so in the 75, first part is aptitude. Okay, like the both part is aptitude, the aptitude, analytical reasoning ability, quants and English, and after that finance and accounting skills MCQ, in which they will check your finance, accounting, fundamental, auditing, reporting, bank theory, etc. So you can check out this video. You will find the free preparation, free resources on our channel. Okay, so the main thing that I have to cover in today's video, okay, that this is a free resources for the aptitude. You can check the India Bix website, you can check the GFG website for aptitude question and answer. If I'm talking about the computer science, network, cyber security, Sen Foundry website, Geeks for Geeks website, Java T Point, Interview Bit website is very good for the examination. Okay, and if I'm talking about the like computer network, cyber security, cloud computing, this all websites are very good for all of you. You will find 1000 plus cyber security question. For coding, okay, the main part is coding. Okay, so you have to check the previous year question, online learning channel, free preparation series. You can choose any of the platform, HackerRank, LeetCode, practice platform. Okay, I will give you one I will give you the last moment tip that is very, very important. As we know that there are aptitude part, okay, in which reasoning are there, okay, in which quant are there, and in which English section are there. Okay, and in the coding part there are 2 questions. Okay, one is nugget, okay, coding nugget, and one is live programming question. Okay, so if I'm talking about the aptitude, so try to solve more question. Okay, try to solve more question, as we are not sure about the negative marking, so try to solve more questions. Okay, and don't invest so much time on particular question. Okay, as we know that you will get dedicated time for particular section, that you will get dedicated time for reasoning, you will get dedicated time for quant, you will get dedicated time for English. So आपको इन्वेस्ट नहीं करना है एक ही क्वेश्चन पे टाइम. इफ यू अगर आपने सॉल्व कर लिया है, ठीक है, फिर भी उसका आंसर नहीं आ रहा, कहीं पे बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लग रहा है, देन मूव टू अदर क्वेश्चंस. ओके, द कट ऑफ, what about the cutoff? The cutoff will vary on 2 conditions. The cutoff will vary on, they will check the sectional performance and they will check the overall performance. Okay, section wise they will check the cutoff, how you perform in the reasoning, quant and English, and overall they will check. Okay, so don't invest so much time on a single question, move to other question and solve the other question. Okay, and when you जैसे ही टेस्ट स्टार्ट होता है तो पैनिक नहीं होना है. ओके, डोंट पैनिक, बिकॉज द थिंग इज, हम ये सोचते हैं हमें सब आता है, अब हम सॉल्व कर लेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रीड ऑल द गाइडलाइंस बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द एग्जामिनेशन. दैट इज वेरी, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन ऑर्डर टू गिव द एग्जामिनेशन प्रॉपरली. एंड इन द कोडिंग you have to pass the maximum number of test cases. Okay, so it will very good for you and it will added advantage, okay, because definitely they will check the aptitude plus coding both performance in your examination, okay. So you have to check, you have to pass the test cases, you have to use the different algorithm while solving the questions, okay. You have to use the new you have to use the different approach, or I can say that you have to use your own approach for solving the coding question. Passing the maximum number of test cases will be good, okay. And one most important point, don't take any of the help from Telegram or any of the from any of the scammers, because there are lot of scammers. They will mention that pay 500 rupees or 1500 rupees and we will help you in the Deloitte examination. Suppose if we are taking examination, suppose we are taking help in examination, so what about the interview, okay. What about the interview and what about later after joining company, there are multiple projects come, so उस time हम क्या करेंगे. So give your examination by your own and don't do any mistake, check all the guidelines before giving the examination, okay. Because इस कोई भी छोटी से छोटी मिस्टेक भी नहीं होना चाहिए, चेक द गाइडलाइंस, ओके. एंड एवरीथिंग इज प्रेजेंट ऑन आवर चैनल. This is the time to crack the opportunity. And one most important point, solve the previous year question because it will very helpful for everyone. I hope you like the video. Best wishes for your examination and I am waiting for your final selection. Good news. Let's meet in the next video.